Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make dough art. Here we are going to make these beautiful flowers. So take this white dough and make patterns using fork. Now cut all of them and make petals of the flower. So we are going to fold it from its sides. Now flip the dough and roll it from this side like this. After this we are going to fold it in a circle and look, your flowers are ready. Roll 3 dough together. Now we are going to fold all of them and we are going to make a shape like this. After this, fold it from its center part and spread it like this. Now start folding it from all its sides. We are going to make 6 such shapes like this. And look, it is looking like a snowflake here. Now take a comb. We are going to make patterns at the tip of the design like this. After this, we are going to make holes as well using a chopstick, or you can also take a normal stick like this. Similar way, we are going to roll 3 circles, cut all of them and put all of them one over another like this. After this, put a date or cherry at the center, roll it, your flower is ready, and put it on the top of the design, and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. We're going to make a beautiful dough art, so we're going to make a design on the top of it using a chopstick. After this, take a scissor and cut it at the center and make a flower design like this. After this, we're going to further add a date at the center. Now take a comb and make patterns like this. Dab the comb at the center part like we're doing here. And away, we're going to cut further petals using scissors on the outer part like we're doing here. Similar way, we're going to further cut more using a knife from its bottom part like this, and make design as well using the knife, and pull the outer part outside and make flowers as well. And look, your beautiful dough art design is ready. Roll 3 dough circles and put all of them one over another. Now we are going to fold them from its sides and hold them like we are doing here using a chopstick. Similar way, we are going to fold it further and give it a shape of flower like this. Put a date at the center, and using fork we are going to make more patterns like this. Cut them like we are doing here using a knife and pull them out and fold it like this, and look, your flowers are ready. Roll this dough, and using this chopstick we are going to add lines on the top. Similar way, we are adding more lines using comb, and take a knife and cut the petals like this and make a beautiful flower at the center. Put a date. Similar way, we are adding more flower petals, so make texture on the top of it using fork. Press the dough and cut like we are doing here, and similar way, pull it outwards and make the flower petals, and look, your easy dough art is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.